This is A.2 Adding Integers. On a number line, adding negative numbers means moving to the left. It is like you are subtracting. So if I have 3 plus negative 1, I'm going to start at 3, and then the negative means you move left. So moving left 1 means my answer is 2. So we're going to evaluate, which means find a number and answer. For negative 5 plus negative 3, we're starting at 5, moving to the left 3, so that is 2. Negative 10 plus 6, starting at negative 10, moving to the right 6 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 4, that would be 0. And 9 plus negative 2 is 7. We have a few rules for adding integers. If we have the same sign, we're going to add the absolute values of the integers and use the common sign in the answer. So negative 4 plus negative 6, I'm going to take the absolute value of each, add them together. The common sign is a negative, so my answer is negative 10. If we have different signs, we're going to subtract the lesser value from the greater absolute value. We're going to use the sign from the greater absolute value. So 12 plus negative 9 is going to be 12 minus 9, which is 3. The sign of the larger absolute value, which is 12, is positive, so the answer is positive. Then we have the additive inverse property. And this says the sum of a number and its opposite, which is its additive inverse, is 0. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. So let's do a couple examples. Find the sum. Negative 8 plus negative 5, you're going to do 8 plus 5, which is 13. Common sign is negative, so your answer is negative 13. Negative 2 plus 5, we're going to do 5 minus 2, and the sign on 5 is positive, so the answer is positive 3. If we have 15 plus 7, we're going to negative 15 plus 7, that's 15 minus 7, which is 8. The sign on the larger number is negative, so your answer is negative 8. For 9 plus negative 9, those are additive inverses, so we get 0. 32 plus negative 4 is 32 minus 4, which is 28. And negative 6 plus 18 is 18 minus 6, which is 12. Now the list shows 4 bank account transactions. We're going to find the change in the balance. So after all 4 of these, how much did the bank account change? So withdrawal means to take money out, deposit means to put money in. To find the answer, we're going to add all the numbers together. If we get a positive answer, the balance increased. If we get a negative answer, the balance decreased. So if I add them all together, negative 40 plus 50 is 10. Negative 75 plus a negative 50 is 25. Add these two together, and you get 35. It's positive, so the account increased by $35. There is a shortcut way on how to do this. You can see that we have a positive 50 and a negative 50. And those are additive inverses, so that's 0. Then we would do negative 40 plus 75 is 35.